Here is a look at the Slimline Leafy background stamp set. A perfect background for your slimline cards. This 4 by 11 inch Slimline stamp set features one large Slimline Leafy pattern background stamp that measures 8.25 by 3.25 inches, as well as 4 supporting stamps, including a scripty 4 and U sentiment stamps, roughly 2.5 centimeters tall, and 2 additional leafy branch stamps. Largest one measures 4 by 3 centimeters. There is not a coordinating die for this stamp set. Slimline stamps can be used by placing them in your stamp positioner or by putting them with the stamping surface up and adhering them to your background work surface. They work very well with a glass mat. Simply place your stamp with the stamping surface pointed up, ink your stamp, and place your paper on top. Here is a look of some of the design team inspiration using the Slimline Leafy background stamp. As you can see, it's not just for slimline cards. Thank you for checking out the Slimline Leafy background stamp.